Hello viewers. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy one-stop shop for finding a mobile RV tech or inspector anywhere in the continental US. So stick around, let's get into it. All right, now what if I told you if you needed an RV technician because you need some repairs or something's broke on your motorhome while you're out camping, and the research has already been done for you. You don't need to like Google RV tech near me and then filter through a bunch of results on people that you don't know. The work has already been done for you. I'm going to show you a tool. It's called rvhelp.com that all the technicians and inspectors included in this website have already been vetted. They're already certified, trained. They're members of national associations. So you know that they're technicians and inspectors that you can trust. So let's get into it. So what you're going to need to do is open a web browser. Then you're going to go to rvhelp.com. And this will bring you to their web page. You can see the buttons right off the bat. It's at the top. It's right down at the bottom. Find a mobile RV tech and find an RV inspector. Then if you scroll down through here, there's some more things on the page that we'll talk about real quick. Remote tech support is coming soon. I'll talk about that a little later. Nationwide coverage. You can see this works anywhere in the continental US, all lower 48 states. Why I choose RV Help. There's some bullet points on that. RV Help is partnered with the NRVIA and rvtiaa. That's the National RV Inspector Association and the RV Technician Association of America. I'm a member of the rvtiaa, and everyone that's in those organizations has been through the National RV Training Academy. We're all certified. There's some master technicians and inspectors that are members of those associations. And then we have to get continuing education credits. So again, you know that you can trust anyone that you find on this website. So we're going to go to find a mobile RV tech, and then let's just go here, Diamond Head, Mississippi. And oh, look at here, I know this guy. All right, so here's my profile. You can see my business name, verified. I had to go in and actually verify whenever this site launched. I had to go find my profile and make sure that it was up to date. I'm a certified technician, offer services Diamond Head, Mississippi. There's a little bit about me, right? Company details. There's my business. Okay, phone, email, website. You notice it's got click to view. Right now we're not logged in. You've just gone to the website and you're browsing. But let's say that you wanted to call me. All right, so click on phone. It's click to view. Now you're going to need to create a free account. Click the create free account. There's only a few details they want. They're just building their database out right now. There's no charge to use this, but if you fill that information out, register, log in, then you'll be able to see my phone number, email, and website. All right, and that goes for any technician or inspector that's on here. All right, so I want to go back and talk about a couple of other things real quick. Okay, so again, there's me. There's a couple more technicians that I know and would work with, but you can see that it just goes out. So since I punched in Diamond Head, I'm right there at 1.3 miles. Not sure why it's got me at 1.3 from like where I'm at. All right, 8.3. All right, kind of going out. All right, and then you're going to come to one. All right, so this is in order of distance, right? So this guy is 191 miles from here. Then the next one's 13, and then 43. Okay, so what this site does is it prioritizes those of us who verified our account, because then it knows that we're active. I got the email from RV Help. Hey, we're launching this website. I had to go in, verify my account, and kind of claim it and make sure that it was good to go. Mr. Nathan here with RV Medic for You. He's kind of close to me. I guess he may not be that active anymore. He's still on the rolls with the association, but he may not be that active anymore. He's still available. You can still view his details, and he's got a phone and an email. You could still give him a call. Maybe he's just not interested in participating much in this website. So it's going to push those of us that are interested in participating closer to the top. All right. All right. Now, one other thing about this website that I wanted to talk about real quick is this remote tech support. Whenever you get this live, you're going to be able to click on this button. Now, with this, you're going to have to be in their premium account. They're actually going to bring out a paid service, is my understanding of the way they're going to do this. And then you can click on that. It'll be on your phone. You'll click on you'll click on that, and you'll get like a text message to activate your camera, right? And so whenever you activate your camera, then on the other end of that phone call is an RV technician, and so he can see what you're seeing through your camera. So he may tell you, hey, point your camera at this, and you could do that, and he will walk you through trying to make repairs on your RV live. All right, so that's really cool. And then while we're talking about the phone, I'm going to go ahead and run you through their website real quick on the phone. All right, kind of same kind of deal. You're going to want to open the website, and then it's got the same information. You can scroll down through there. And then this time I selected, we're going to be going to St. Augustine, Florida. So I selected St. Augustine, and then was able to find some, I'm able to find some RV techs that are in the area. So if we need help, I know there's one RV tech that's going to be in St. Augustine, but if we needed help and I didn't have the right tools or something, I'll be able to find them and then reach out to them. And then again, I know that they know what they're talking about because they got the same training I do, right? So, so you can find them, same thing. They're sorted by verified, and then on down. Okay. All right. So anyway, it's the same as on the other. They are working on a mobile app. As of time of filming this video, I went on the Google Play Store, and there's no app yet. But they are working on an actual dedicated app as opposed to it being web-based. Of course, you could still use your laptop and find the website, but for your phone, you can download an app whenever they launch it. So, yeah, that's again, one-stop shop. The work has already been done for you. So that everyone that's on this website has training as part of the association. We're required to get continuing education units. So we have to continue education. You can't just go to the school and then stop and then expect to still continue to be a member of the association. Right now, I've only been in business for about a year, but some of the folks on here that have been in business 4 or 5 years, they're going to schools and they're continuing to learn and hone their trade. So, there's some good people on here. I'm not associated with rvhelp.com other than I have my profile on the website. I think this is a good thing, even whenever they launch their remote tech support. I'm about helping RVers enjoy their RV. So I think this is a good tool to help you enjoy your RV. It may cost me some business, but I want you to enjoy your RV. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me some comments below on what you think about this website without doing a bunch of Google research on your own. So, thanks.